Lights out, it's ghost story time. In 1971, a young director named Spielberg needed a villain for his first movie, Duel. He didn't choose an actor. He chose this, a nasty, rusty 1955 Peterbilt 281. Why? Because it has a face. Look at those windows. They stare at you. The grille is snarling teeth. In the movie, you never see the driver. The truck itself is the monster. It chases a poor car through the desert just for fun. It's relentless. It doesn't sleep. It just hunts. It is the original movie monster on wheels. Okay, too scary. Let's get back to the future. Next episode, the aerodynamic revolution. Subscribe to escape.